Number 1. Lawn Boy 17734, 21-inch 6.5 gross torque, Kohler Electric Start XTX OHV, 3-inch-1 discharge self-propelled lawnmower designed to make mowing and starting your mower easier. The powerful Kohler engine starts with the turn of a key. Rear-wheel drive self-propel provides power for improved traction and control in all mowing conditions. Take the work out of yard work with the Lawn Boy Kohler XTX OHV engine. The Kohler XTX engine series engines bring lawn care to a new level. Commercial-grade features deliver tough performance, and operator-centric design provides user-friendly maintenance. Tri-cut cutting system. The 21-inch steel deep dome deck is lightweight yet durable, and it provides excellent mulching capabilities and a superior quality of cut. 2-point height of cut. You can easily adjust the deck height at 2 points for quick customization of your mowing height. Larger bag capacity. When you need to bag your clippings, this larger bag easily holds more clippings and allows you to empty the bag faster and less often. 3-in-1 dischargeability. Lawn Boy's versatile cutting system allows you to choose between mulching, bagging, or side discharge. 3-year True Start commitment plus a 2-year full warranty. Under normal use and maintenance, it will start on 1 or 2 pulls for 3 years, or we will fix it for free. Backed by one of the best full warranties in the industry.
Amazon products link check in the description.
Number 2. PowerSmart DV2321S Lawnmower. Ideal for the smaller the compact, 161cc self-propelled gas-powered PowerSmart DV2321S self-propelled lawnmower is easy to operate in tight spaces and features 3 cutting systems including side discharge option and mulching capability, plus a collection rear bag. Offering is smart, powerful, highly efficient and lightweight design, and the DV2321S features a rear-wheel drive mode that makes it easier to maneuver on uneven and rough. The deep dome deck design accompanied with a sharp and solid blade makes for better mulching. Easy to operate and weighing just 94 pounds. The mower also features a durable steel deck that cuts a 21-in swath and adjustable height from 1/18 to 3 to meet your varying needs. Number 3. Senjo MJ401E, 14-inch 12M electric lawnmower. Great in tight spaces. Responding to the need for an easy-to-use electric mower for smaller lawns, Senjo developed the Mojo MJ401E, compact and lightweight, only 29 pounds. The Mojo MJ401E is a lean, mean and green mowing machine that gets your chore done without polluting the atmosphere with toxic carbon emissions. Mojo starts instantly with a simple push of a button, and its rugged all-terrain wheels make it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Equipped with a durable steel blade, Mojo cuts a 14 inches wide swath with each pass. Tailor the grass cutting height with its 3-position manual height control, which adjusts from 118 inches to 252 inches. Its 10.6-gallon hardtop rear bag conveniently collects grass clippings and detaches easily for quick disposal. A collapsible handle allows for easy and compact storage when not in use. EDL approved, full 2-year. Number 4. American Lawnmower Company 50514, 14-inch, 11M corded electric lawnmower. The American Lawnmower electric corded push mower provides a clean, reliable cut every time. The 11M motor is powerful enough to tackle the toughest mowing jobs and is a great mower for homeowners that maintain small lawns. This lean, mean, compact mower will take care of all the hard work in a fashion with no oil or gas. This mower starts every time with just a push of a button and is always ready when you are. With the adjustable handle length, This mower can be custom fit to accommodate all users. The 14-inch steel blade will cut grass clean anywhere from 1 inch to 2.5 inch H with the 5-position easy adjust cutting height options. This mower also features a grass bag with a level indicator allowing users to know when the bag is full. The lightweight and compact design makes this mower extremely easy to operate and even easier to store when not in use. 2-year manufacturer warranty. Number 5. Greenworks MO09B01, 14-inch, 9M corded electric lawnmower. Greenworks offers a wide range of electric outdoor equipment options to fit any homeowner's needs. The 14-inch lawnmower features a powerful 9-amp universal motor to handle small to medium-sized lawns. 9-amp electric motor delivers enough power to cut through touch grass. 14-inch deck is versatile and lightweight. 2-in-1 feature provides mulching and rear discharge capabilities. 5-position height adjustment offers a range of cutting height from 5/8 inch to 2.58 inch for the perfect cut on all types of grass. 7-inch rear wheel and 6-inch front wheels.